Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a specific connectivity solution, the BeMatik Super HDMI 1.4 HDMI type of male to DVD male cable, specifically the 10-meter version. This cable is designed to bridge the gap between devices using different digital video standards, allowing connection from an HDMI source to a DVI display or vice versa. Though typically it's used for sending video from an HDMI output to a DVI monitor. This particular cable adheres to the Super HDMI 1.4 standard. While the DVI connection is video only, the HDMI 1.4 standard itself supports the transmission of digital audio, digital video, and even Ethernet. The cable is built to support these capabilities on the HDMI side, including the 100 megabit per second Ethernet connection feature that the cable itself facilitates. In terms of video performance, the cable is specified to handle high-definition multimedia communications. It fully supports resolutions found in the HDMI 1.3 standard and is capable of resolutions up to 1920 by 1080, commonly known as HD 1080p digital resolution. This makes it suitable for connecting modern sources like computers, gaming consoles, or media players to monitors or projectors that might only have a DVI input, but are capable of displaying full HD. A significant aspect of this cable is its construction and length. At 10 meters, transmitting a reliable 1080p signal can be challenging, but this BeMatik cable features a high-quality 24 AWG gauge, which is thicker than standard cables and helps maintain signal integrity over longer distances. The cable has a substantial 7 millimeters thickness, indicating robust build quality. It's listed under the BeMatik brand. An interesting special feature mentioned is that it is magnetic. This often refers to the inclusion of ferrite cores near the connectors, which help to reduce electromagnetic interference and ensure a cleaner signal transmission, particularly important for a cable of this length. The connectors are HDMI Type A male on one end and DVD male on the other, providing a direct digital link. It's compatible with devices like monitors, as listed, but can connect any equipment with the appropriate HDMI or DVI ports. Overall, this BeMatik 10M cable presents itself as a robust and capable solution for extending a full HD digital video signal between HDMI and DVI devices over a considerable distance, backed by features like 24 AWG construction and potential magnetic shielding for signal stability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.